The cool products that we have built. Dr. Sampath Patil, who is not on the video, but I'm going to see if he can come on the video so you can see him as well. But we're just deploying it right now. And then once it is deployed, I will quickly give you, the first time I think people will be seeing what we have done. So once it's deployed, I will give you a glimpse of everything.
That's great. That's great.
So the first one that I'm going to show you, let me put this down. Yeah. So the first one that I'm going to show you is this.
Yeah, this one. You can log.
Is this product called Info News, and this is basically a AI-based news channel in multiple languages. We have done this in 35 different languages. So if you want to get today's news, you can pick your language, right? And then the channel will start, and there is no human element here. So a AI news anchor will come in and basically give you the news in the language that you select, right? And it will be today's news. So let me pick a language. Which one do you want? Let's try here.
I want first thing.
Let's say Rajasthan.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी भाजपा ने राजस्थान में आगामी चुनाव के लिए अपने उम्मीदवारों की तीसरी सूची जारी कर दी है। सूची में स्थानीय उम्मीदवार शामिल हैं।
Or I will actually now next do Karnataka.
Karnataka, that's great.
मराठा कोटा आंदोलना तीव्रगोलुतिद्दांते कर्नाटका राज्याहु महाराष्ट्रಕ್ಕೆ ಬಸ್ ಸವೆಂಗಲಾನು ಸ್ಥಗಿತಗೊಳಿಸಾಯಿ कर्नाटकದ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು
Sorry?
Gujarati.
Gujarati.
ಗುಜರಾತನ ಬನಸಕಂಠಾಮಂ එක ಮಹಿಳಾ ಪಾರಾ ಸಾಮೂಹಿಕ ಬಲಾತ್ಕಾರ ಏನ್ ಹಮಾಡವದಾಮಂ එක ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಲೂಂಟಾವನ ಆರೋಪಂ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಗಾದಾನಿ ಧರಾಪಕಡ ಕರಾವಾಮಂ
So that gives you an idea, right? That there are multiple languages. There are all 35 languages. Some of the states might be in Hindi, but majority of the languages are there. And what it does is it actually goes, scans the internet, gets today's news, summarizes everything. So this is the AI engine, right? Which will actually browse internet, get today's news, summarize, and then, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah. So the question is, so how your AI platform gets the news? Matlab how, from which platform they are going to get the news?
Yeah, so our AI, so our AI engine actually uses a combination of OpenAI as well as our own large language model. So it's not just OpenAI or ChatGPT, right? So we basically we'll scan the internet, we get the news, and then we summarize that using our own large language model, and then we convert that into audio, right? And then we use this news anchor. By the way, that news anchor is also AI generated, and the news anchor will give you the news in the language that you select.
Okay. So if I brief it in a very small terms, simple means, for example, the news is, suppose India won the match. Okay. So it will collect all the information from the internet. Okay. And then it will be converted into audio, then it will be converted into video, and the AI generator can share that news in the form of Karnataka. If I want Karnataka, if I want in Gujarati, and that about 35 languages it will be able to deliver. So, for example, if someone of I hail from Rajasthan, and if I want to share this news in Gujarati, so I'll use your app and will share it to them.
Exactly, you got it. Perfect.
That's really amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. And the next version, actually, what we are doing, we are also will be adding something where you can specify what kind of news you are interested in. So let's say you have only 10 minutes to spare and you say, I'm interested only in sports news, specifically cricket, or I'm interested only in political news for my state or whatever. Then based on your preferences, it will get you the news in your language.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
Got
yeah,
it.
got it. The next one that
Yes.
I'm going to show is this AI newsletter. So this is basically the newsletter. We have about 2,500 articles on AI. And what you can do is you can say, okay, if you want to know how AI is used in the food industry, then you just type that word here, food, and will give you all the articles about AI in food delivery, food industry, food preparation, right? Or let's say if you want to do something like medical, then it will give you all the articles, right? How AI and machine language is used today in medical industry. So there are about 2,500 articles that we have published, and we'll on a daily basis we continue to add to this. Like for example, here, if I type medical, the first article is challenges in generative AI in biomedical design. And then if you are interested, you just click on that article and you can read it,
Okay, that's great.
right? So the whole idea is this is like a big knowledge base on AI in different types of industries, right? I don't think anywhere such a knowledge base exists.
Definitely, that's definitely.
And then the last one,
Yes.
yeah, and then the last one that I'm going to show you is the suite of products. We call it Bot Genius Plus Family.
More serious.
Yeah, and since you are from IT background, I think you'll appreciate this, right? These are like variety of different products. There's a thing called IT Genius, right? And so there's something called Project Genius. So when you start IT project, typically I think what you do is you write, you gather requirements, you write stories, then you basically look at the stories and create tasks, and then you hand over those tasks to your developers, right? And then you create a test plan and the test scenarios and all of that, right? And so all this is automatically generated here,
Right.
right? So it generates the SRS, the software requirements, it generates epic stories, tasks. Now, if you need some test data, right? For example, for testing, you need test data. You want like let's say, sorry,
In the chat genius.
yeah, let's show in chat genius.
Next tab.
Right. So if I go here and let me pull this up. Let's say I want to generate 1,000 mobile numbers.
Test
Okay.
Right. Test
data.
data.
Yeah. See, you can say.
Yeah.
Then you can type.
Mobile, right?
That 1,000 mobile numbers of specific, is there any?
Not specific, but like let's say for testing, you want to generate every time you generate, you'll get a different set of mobile numbers. So this is mainly for software testing,
Got it.
right? So any kind of test data you can generate, right?
Got it.
Right.
Software testing.
Right. And then, so we have this thing called IT Genius, and we have done integration with Jira and Azure DevOps. So, typically project managers, they use either Jira or Azure DevOps. So all of this can be integrated with those two project management systems. We have this thing called Legal Genius, where what you can do is you can take any document, you can upload that document. Let's say you have a legal document which is 100 pages. You can upload that document because you don't want to read all 100 pages, and it will summarize that in couple of pages, all the relevant parts of that, right? And if you want specific information, then you can ask questions. For example, you want to know what is the indemnity clause. You can just ask that question and it will basically use the AI engine to get the relevant information for you from that uploaded document. Then we have this thing called Web Sage Genius inside Immersion, similar to Doc Genius, but Doc Genius is for a document. You can upload a PDF file for Doc Genius. For inside, it's a website, right? So you just give the URL of the website, and then you can ask any question about the contents, and it will get you that, right? SpeakDB Genius, again, it's just, this is a little technical, but for SQL databases, you can just write a natural language sentence and it converts that into SQL. EdTech Genius, similar thing for educational field, where students can go and kind of use this to do their research, or there is a Tutor Genius, so they can ask questions and then they'll get sort of personalized tutoring. And so ImageCraft Genius, same thing. You can take any image, you can generate an image, right? So for example, let's say car driving, it will generate sort of an image using AI engine depending on the text that you give, and then you can use an editor to transform the background of the image or to change the image, right? So see this image now, I said car driving, it has just generated this image using the AI engine.
Oh, that's correct. That's correct. This is what we need, basically.
Right.
Yeah, that's correct.
And then the Videocraft Genius, you can upload, like let's say you can put a URL of a YouTube video, and what it does is it gives you summary. So if you don't want to watch a 10-minute video, you just give the URL of the video and it will give you the summary of that video. And then you can ask some questions and it will get you answers.
Oh, that's good.
Right? So, I mean, there are about 80 different features. But
80 plus, yes.
yeah, but then, just to give you an idea what it is, this is everything that we have done so far.
That's really amazing that things that you have done, sir. And it is the need of our, basically. See, the kind of things that you have done, it is a need of our. And I'm going to shoot one story for you all, okay? Well, I will, I have a good links on Instagram and Facebook where I will be explaining about Bot Genius. Okay, so I'll take information from sir, okay, like what are the subscription charge and everything, and I will going to create a video on that. Okay, I got it everything, but once again I'll connect with the sir,
Yeah.
and I'll create a very short video of 60 minutes, 60 seconds explaining about Bot Genius Plus. That's really amazing.
That will
So
be
awesome. I can, what I can do is I can, suppose if I have a 100-page legal document, I can summarize this. In that also, if I want some exact information, I can have that. If I have some text that can be converted into video, then that can be converted into image. If I have a YouTube video, I want to summarize that can be done. So it will be an amazing information for all the users. Okay. Although I will be shooting this in Hindi because in India, Hindi users are more.
Yep.
Which are using Instagram. So I'll do it.
Yeah, no, really appreciate that. Would be awesome. And I definitely want Dr. Sampath Patil on the video now because, he has worked really, really hard. So,
Yes.
right, that's Dr. Sampath Patil. And I also want to make sure that he gets full credit for this.
No, sir. Actually, honestly speaking, it's all because of Sanjeev, because the way he architected the system and the way, if he suppose if case I give one good example, okay, of Sanjeev, like suppose if in case if we start doing the things, okay, normally we will I will give one super way example. We have done a Jira integration, okay. I think we are not good, but we will show you that right now after this call. During this call. What we have did, so how our brain works and how Sanjay's brain will work, okay. So we have done a Jira integration. So here what we did presently, so just we will go for a Bot Genius and IT Genius. So here there is a Jira integration, okay. So we want to enter issue summary, start date, end date, okay. So this will knows to for almost like software engineers. So whatever we will enter within a fraction of seconds, 30 to 40 seconds, the ticket will be updated in a Jira. Okay, so just I will show you how it will be updated.
Got it.
Just a minute, sorry. Yeah. So here you can see the Jira ticket entire.
So here, if
So-
suppose the problem is there, the ticket will be generated, right?
Yeah, suppose if it is, every software engineers will use the Jira or Azure DevOps. Normally in developing the project, we will use a certain number of tickets, right, to generate what the developer should do,
Yes.
and after what developer done, the testers should do. So that we have done everything. Normally, the project managers or product owners will take around half day or 1 day to generate each ticket, okay, based on the complexity of the particular task. So we have reduced it to just 25 to 30 seconds. So previously what we did is like we used to come to Bot Genius and we used to enter it, and after that it is to go and make the update. Okay. So there, one view meeting we are shown, okay, this is the thing we have made, and that idea presently come from Sanjeev only. So after that we have made everything. So what Sanjeev told within a fraction of second, okay, within a 10 or 20 seconds, what he told, no, it will be a still be the complexity, because the product managers or product owners should go to the Bot Genius. There they want to enter the text, and after that they want to come to Jira, and they want to and it will be updated, right? So it will be complexity. So let's we make it very clear. No need to go to the Bot Genius directly. Just they can go to Jira itself and just take a create summary. For example, yeah, summary of login page. Okay. So once we create a login page. Description also, let's give as a login page, or here summary as gym application. So okay, once we are done this one, so within a 20, sorry. So once
Within
we,
a 20.
yeah.
Yes. Within 25 seconds it will generate.
Within a 25 seconds, the entire ticket will be generated. No need to go to Bot Genius. So this is how the architect developer should be like, right? Architect mind should work. So this is how the Sanjeev's idea of brain will work. So this entire grid, it may be Bot Genius, or it may be Chat Genius, or it may be Info News, or it may be an newsletter. So entire architect diagram from the scratch to end, whatever we have built, it may be IT Genius, like as we mentioned. So entire thing has been done from him only. So we should really appreciate the way he given us the instructions. Working is like one or other person will can work. This is not a big deal, right? Working part, but giving the instruction and giving with all the perspective of a user, how we can make so much easier to user to use the Jira or Azure DevOps, like that is very important. That is
He is very humble, but it's a team effort. So,
that is what I have to actually.
yeah,
It is a team. It's always a team.
it's always a team
But yes,
effort.
that's really the, yeah. And now we are also a team. And definitely, I'm going to share some surprises with you, because see, you people are from this side and we are from this side. So we are users, and literally we need these kinds of things that we can, suppose if there is a news which I want to share there in the Gujarati form. So there is the confusion. Now what I can do, I can use this platform. Second, every time something come into my mind, I want this to be in the form of pictures. I'll go to Bot Genius, I can convert that picture into an image. That was a very simple image, like car driving. We will be needing like a donkey is driving a car.
Yep.
A car is in the sky. So now we'll be needing.
Yeah.
Okay. Second thing is that I want text, I want news in the 35 different dimensions. This is an amazing technology, right? Because see, we are using artificial intelligence. Now, suppose if I want to send some letter, official letter to you only, what I do, I can go with Bot Genius and then I send it. So this is an amazing invention. And we can share it with the colleges, we can share it with the school, we'll be sharing with the network. Because see, we are on Instagram. So on Instagram, everybody speaks about Concord. There is an app called Concord.ai. So in that, if you have an exam, you go type the questions you can get. But in that, there is a section you said, yes, the students can also research. Okay, so I will be studying and I will be creating some short reels which we can promote so that it can reach to maximum. Because I'm a user and I'm from non-technical. Because you need to understand, because we are from non-technical background. Why? Because nowadays AI is there, so we'll be using Bot Genius. So this is how my mind is using it. Now it should reach to everyone, so that in India, Bot Genius is there, and now name is very amazing. Bot Genius.
Yeah.
So like,
Yeah, no, I appreciate that, because we created this, but we need your help to get the word out there so that people can start using it, right?
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. I got important. I
Yeah.
understood it. At that moment, I got to understand. And now, when you explained it, I got to understand.
Yeah.
And the one more thing that you have did is if there is an error in the software, in a layman language, if there is an error in the software, within 30 seconds, the ticket will be generated and it will reach to a software developer or a software testing department. So this is again going to save the time.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Every and the most important thing, I will be testing everything. Okay, with him, I will be discussing it, then I will be creating. The most important thing is that you have a video of 10 minutes and you just want it in 1 minute. You can upload that link and you will get it.
Yes,
So
exactly.
I am finding my difference.
Yeah,
Because
exactly.
I am a very layman. In one language, हम लोगों को नहीं आता दिमाग लगाना. हमें तो चाहिए फटाफट solution मिले.
Yeah.
And that is why we don't that things have changed.
Yeah.
Amazing, sir.
Yeah, thank you, appreciate, yeah.
Now, it should reach to every Indian, sir, because we have created this. Matlab, this is see, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, everybody's future's creation. But now we have created this really amazing.
Yeah, yes, yeah. Any other questions?
Oh, I'm done.
Okay, thank you, appreciate your time, thank you so much. And of course, you can always reach out to Dr. Sampath, myself, any questions you have, any comments, right? But really looking forward to this partnership where you can get the word out there and, that way everyone finds out about this.
Definitely, because see, why I'm saying this, I'm a non-technical person, and who is able to understand the need of this? Because everybody is looking in a company where we do not have technical team, we need these kinds of things. Suppose there is a letter and we need to read it, I can create a pictures, and in 60 seconds, we can explain what is Bot Genius Plus.
Awesome.
It should reach to the market. Definitely, otherwise, I would have said, okay, this is a record, I should have not understood, but I have understood that this will be a game changer for everyone, sir.
Great, good to know that.
We want graphic designer now. We don't want a person to write a mail for us. And the most important thing is that suppose this record is created, I tell you in my terms, there is a news which happened in Jaipur and I want to share it to my Gujarati friend. Just wait. I'll go on the Bot Genius and share with you.
Yep.
There is a technical, so this is what I understood, that is why I'm repeating it. Because I understood very clearly.
Great.
This is the thing.
Thank you.
So, she said, you people are world record holder. Now we'll be sending you the certificate, medal, everything. You just need to click the picture and you need to share it. And we will be converting these 35 news in 35 different languages with the help of Bot Genius Plus. And we'll be sharing across more than 10 millions of community. That's it.
Awesome, appreciate it.
So,
Thank you so much, looking forward to it. Yeah,
Done.
thank you.
My name is Bhatt. My name is Jayesh Bhatt and I'm not the brother of Alia Bhatt. No, so you remember, you both are influencers and info genius because you are an influencer because you are creating an impact. So I'm going to create an amazing video for you, both of you.
Thank you, Mr. Yash, thank you.
Thank you.
Nice talking to you.
Very clear, yes.
Bye.
Recording in progress.
It's all him.
No, I told him.
If both of you don't want to take credit, I'll take credit.
Should be. If you take credit, it will be like Sanjiv's credit only.
So
good.
as a consumer, like I'll be the one who would be using all this, like all your hard work. So how do I it's going to be an app? Bot Genius is going to be an app, as I understand it.
No,
No?
it's going to be a website.
Oh,
It's not an app, not yet.
But if you make it an app, it would be easier, isn't it? I mean, easier for us.
Bot Genius is not one product. Bot Genius is 80 products. So we can take one and make it an app, whatever makes sense. But for now, it's just a website. But I think that more than Bot Genius, that AI news, that can be converted into an app. That will be useful
Yes,
because
yes.
now you can just watch the news on your phone.
And that dog genius is I think people like me, I would love to have that. Because legal documents, like say you're
Any
renting your
document,
house or
yeah.
something, the legal documents are very like lengthy and then you have to read through all that because you don't know where the loopholes are. So you want to know what your liabilities are or what you're signing up for. So I think it can.
Nobody wants to read 50 pages of
Exactly.
document.
I think for me, that was the most appealing thing. So what would that be? Would it be app or would it be again website?
For now, it will be just a site. But
So we
that-
can upload the,
Yeah, you just go to site. You can put the site on your phone, that's not a problem. And then you can upload the legal document and it gives you a summary. And then you can ask questions.
And also you can upload your own YouTube videos or anything. So instead of seeing for 20 minutes or 30 minutes, just you get within 1 minute or 1.5 minute entire summary of that video.
Yeah, you can show actually. You want to see the
Yeah.
YouTube video?
yeah. I want to see that legal document thing.
Do you have any document?
Yes. So just for
Here.
example, I will be uploading.
So when you go to the
Oh, should I
site,
send it now? Can you?
Yeah.
We can see.
so when you, okay, you have to go to that site, right? Dog Genius.
Yes, Bot Genius, and in that Dog Genius.
Oh, Bot Genius, and then that will be,
Dog Genius.
then choose Dog Genius after
Exactly.
that.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh,
So,
I see, now I know what you're saying, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So under a Bot Genius, there are 80 plus features.
Okay.
For example, now we want to want to get a summary of a particular document. So go to Doc Genius. So suppose if you want to get the summary of a video, go to Video Genius. So now if you want to get the image through AI, okay, go to Image Genius. Now you want to get the summary of the website. For example, Infogen Labs. You don't want to go through all the Infogen Labs website. Just go to Web Search Genius. So now you are a software developer. Go to IT Genius.
That's great.
Yeah, you can see that.
More than a success, like it's your
birthday and both you can bring them. Can we?
Please come a second. Also, yeah, you can see.
Oh, it's a birthday.
So I have given given a Word document and it gives the result. I've just uploaded invoice of OpenAI, so it gives the result.
So it was a big document, it just gave like important stuff.
So there would be a window
Like
where you
this
can
side.
upload the document.
Yeah, you did see.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, please come.
Oh,
Yes.
actually, both of them should do it.
No.
No,
It's birthday.
seriously.
It's not actually. No, it's
It
not.
says happy birthday.
It's a birthday.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
birthday.
yeah, yeah.
Please go.
Yeah, they come.
No.
It's okay.
No.
All right.
It's a birthday.
Please look at me. Please look at me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sanjeev. Happy birthday
No,
to you.
yeah, you can. Please make it to Sanjeev.
Here.
Sorry.
I know, but I think I would just feed him with mine.
Okay.
He loves chocolate.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
that's
sorry.
it, that's the small piece. But that knife is needed to cut. I'll take this.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hey, you guys eat it now.
Sir.
Thank you
please,
guys, that's
please, sir,
very
sir,
nice
please,
of you.
please. For man. One bite for man. From your side, from your side.
One more.
Yes. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Oh, nice. Super.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
No, don't. You told her that.
You want not, like, yeah.
There is one.
Thank you guys, that's very sweet of you. Very nice.
Hi, Dr. Sanjeev.
Oh,
This is a surprise.
What is that?
Dr. Sanjeev, I hope आपको ये छोटा birthday surprise पसंद आए. Lots of love. और मेरी तरफ से आपको जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और बधाई. We wish you the best in life and the year most to be your luckiest, your best so far. Happy birthday. And thank you so much for your
Oh, well, that's why you asked it.
now I'm jealous. That's
This is the
really
best picture of the.
So,
It's,
so
no, it's a real, no,
this-
it's a real, it's not AI.
Yes,
It's a real.
not a real.
What do you mean real? Actual
Vidya
Vidya Balan?
Exactly, actual Vidya Balan. It's not AI.
Really?
Yes,
Yeah.
real.
How did you do
See,
that?
this is what happens when you generate AI. I'm so glad it backfired on you guys.
No. It is like company is there, and
Yeah.
they will do everything on behalf of
Yes.
us.
Oh, wow, I want that video. What is this?
Please open it.
Ma'am, please come.
Oh.
Please.
I like this. I don't do any work and I get to have all this fun.
Fun
and-
memories from my side. Come this side.
Please, ma'am, this
Ma'am,
side.
come this side. Come this side.
You can open.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes, ma'am. Just open.
It's so well packed that I don't want to really break open.
Please open it. So,
Okay.
Oh, yes. I know what this is.
Take this paper.
Here.
Oh, wow. Amazing. That's really great. Who did it? Kunchur.
Kunchur, yeah. Pawan Kunchur, PA1, Pawan.
Wow. Oh, I really like the creativity of this.
PA1, yeah, Pawan.
Yeah, very nice. Very impressive.
Where is he? Pawan Kunchar is from? Oh, you're editing?
Yeah.
Wow.
he's a designer actually.
Great job.
Yeah. This is for you. Take.
I hope you guys haven't done this to me.
Sure, next time.
I'm not a picture person.
No, you can see this one.
You can see, definitely you like it. Yes. Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That is so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Very nice. Beautiful. Very nice. Amazing.
Please, together, can you give a pose with that photo?
Yeah,
with
Both
the
photos,
picture.
please. Please. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Yeah, super. Very nice. Yes, thank you so much.
Thank
Sampath,
you.
you come. Let's do the picture
Yes,
together.
join.
This is
Better.
so creative. Whose idea was this?
Yes, our team idea. We are planning to get like that.
Great.
Yes.
Show the picture.
Sampath,
Sure.
Sampath, come.
Sanjeev, please. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Now you guys should also come.
It's okay.
Let's ask them
Yeah,
to take
yeah,
a picture.
yeah.
It's okay, no problem. It's okay.
No.
We want pictures with you. You guys are creative in every
Picture,
aspect. Wow.
Photo.
Very nice.
Like what is this? Like stop.
Yeah, here. Come. He's taking picture.
Yeah.
Karthik.
ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು
ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.